Hey bells and bros, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and if you're just joining for the first time, welcome. So this is the Brazilian wool we are going to be using. It has this attachment texture, and right now I'm measuring out the length I want to use for braiding. Yeah, so after getting the length I want to use, I'm just going to cut it out. Now you can notice that we have straight ends, and we don't need that. We need the ends to have that fish-like pointy effect. So I'm going to be mixing it all over again like I do if I'm using braiding hair, and then I brush it out. And this is how it is right now. So let's start our braiding procedure. As you can tell from the thumbnail, we are making Hilda Baci's signature hairstyle. Oh, the sun just came out from hibernation to ruin my lighting, but I'm going to fix that in the editing. Psych, I didn't fix it in any editing. I totally forgot, but it's okay. So P Babies TV requested that I do this hairstyle. So P Babies TV, this is your video. Watch, okay? Okay, for me to get these braids in the middle, I parted the hair into two to get equal halves, like left side and right side. Then from the right side, I believe from the right side, I took out this little piece of straight hair all the way back. Okay, after that, I'm unraveling the remaining part of the hair to make the two jumbo stitch braids. I'm following a very easy pattern procedure, nothing crazy. As I'm making it mindful, I'm making it demure, just like that of Hilda Baci. But in this method, I'm going to be trying a different way of making stitch braids. I've never done this before in any of my videos, and this is my first time doing it in real life. So I'm going to be patting out my stitches in sections. I'm going to be pre-patting them and braiding it in I'll just make braid up to like half an inch, and then I'll secure that stitch. That's what I'll do. I'll do it all the way through the whole hair I'm going to be braiding. So here it is. I literally just pre-patted the whole stitch. I pre-stitched my I pre-stitched my stitch braids. So I think this style is supposed to make your work easy, but yeah, I think I enjoy making this one. I was nervous at first because I've never done this. I've never stitched braids this method before, but I really love the results. It's wonderful. So I'm going to start braiding as I usually do. Feeding in the first hair, and then I take one of my pre-stitches and feed in another hair, then make it hold tight, and then take the next stitch. That is basically what I'm going to be repeating, the procedure I'm going to be repeating all through the hair, all the way till the down. I introduce my feeding hair, I braid it, take the next pre-stitch like so, braid, feeding hair, take the next pre-stitch, just like that. Very easy, very simple, y'all. Of course, be mindful as you are feeding in your hair You have to do that depending on how thick or how big you want your jumbo braids to look like. You know, we started feeding in the hair with tiny pieces of hair, but then as you keep braiding, you have to keep increasing the quantity of hair you're feeding in so you can get that thickness you want for your jumbo braid. So easy, simple. The way I always make my videos, I try my best to make it as easy for anybody to understand. As long as you can braid, you're gonna have a easy time with this. So right now I'm just repeating what I did with the first jumbo braid. I'm trying to make my pre-stitches, my cheat code, cheat stitches. This one is just like making your life a lot more easier. No wahala, no problem. Yeah, just like so. So if you notice, for this one I made a brush-like effect stitch, like I'm pulling them all the way to the middle part to give off this Hilda Baci kind of stitch jumbo braids. Look at that. The beauty is already showing forth. It is coming forth. The beauty is in the eye of the beholder. How did you say that? Beauty. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. I am the beholder, and baby girl, you're beautiful. So right now we are going to repeat the same procedures we did for one half of the hair for the second part. So right now we're just going to copy and paste what we did on the first half of the hair and the second half of the hair, okay? Nothing, I didn't change anything about it. One tiny straight back braid, 2 jumbo stitches by side. And don't forget, while you are feeding in your hair, progressive overload. Just like those people that goes to the gym, they're like, you have to progressive overload, right? Increase your reps, increase your food, increase that. The same thing applies here. Just progressively increase the amount of braiding hair you're feeding into your jumbo braid, okay? According to the size that you want, so you do you, okay? You're free to make it as big or as small as you want it. It's your art, so be free with it. I'm not even joking. This is one of the easiest wigs I have ever made. Like, this is so simple. Now we are done with all our braids, yay! Now let's go to the packing part of this hairstyle. Right now I'm going to be making this pattern pack with just the 4 jumbo braids, right? I'm leaving out the 2 tiny braided pieces. Very easy. And right now you don't have to make any perfect artwork trying to pack the hair. Just a rough sketch, as long as it looks mindful, it looks demure, just like Hilda Baci's, you've done well. Okay, and you guys know me now. I'm going to always tack this thing down. I'm going to sew every packing I make down, so I'm sure it is firmly in place. Okay, so just take a thread and a needle like so, sew it down, make it sure it's tight, make a knot or make your multiple knots, cut it off and then sew it again. Cut it off, tie it and cut off the excess. I decided to ventilate some baby hair on this because I so much love my baby hairs, and this is the final result. Voila. Thank you very much for watching this video to this point, and I think it's fair for you to kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post beautiful content like this. Since you enjoyed watching this video, you are going to so much love watching this love crisscross braided wig I made. It is wonderful, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.